Good morning, dear students. As you know that today is Thursday, and Thursday one math class is there. So I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So now we are going to begin our next exercise. So exercise in the last class already we taught exercise 3.2. So now we are going to start exercise 3.3. Just see and try to understand. Okay. The first question: find the additive inverse. Find the additive inverse of the following rational number. It means we have to find out the additive inverse of the given rational number. इन सबका क्या निकालना है अपने को? Additive inverse. And what is the meaning of additive inverse? IVA. Don't know? Okay. Then listen. Additive inverse means if suppose we are given the number 3 and what number we will add in 3, then the result will be 0. Yes, very good. It means if negative 3 we have to add in 3, then the result become 0. If negative 3 is given, then which number we have to add, then result become 0. Yes, okay, plus 3. It means simple 3. It means if positive number is given, then the negative number of the given number, जो अगर पॉजिटिव नंबर दिया हुआ उसका नेगेटिव नंबर उसके अंदर ऐड कर देंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या बन जाएगा? 0. एंड इफ नेगेटिव नंबर इज गिवन देन उसका पॉजिटिव वाला नंबर ऐड कर देंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या बन जाएगा? 0. तो ये दोनों जो नंबर है आपके, इनको हम कहेंगे एडिटिव इनवर्स. एडिटिव इनवर्स. दैट दिस बोथ नंबर इज कॉल्ड एडिटिव इनवर्स. ओके, एंड आउट. सो नाउ सी what is the additive inverse of 1 by 6? 1 by 6, the additive inverse of 1 by 6 is negative 1 by 6. Directly you can write the answer. What is the additive inverse of 9? Negative 9. What is the additive inverse of negative 7? Positive 7. What is the additive inverse of 5 by negative 8? The 5 by positive 8. And what is the additive inverse of negative 13 by 7? Positive 13 by 7. And last, what is the additive inverse of negative 8 by 5? Yes, 8 by positive 8 by 5. So this is your answer. Okay, and out. It means the additive inverse means the number which we add to the given number, the result become 0. जो नंबर होगा additive inverse वो उसको given number के अंदर ऐड कर देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? रिजल्ट 0. That number is called additive inverse. Okay, like that also when there multiplicative inverse is also there. In multiplicative inverse, suppose you have given 3. By which number we will multiply, then the result become 1. Yes, 1 by 3. Then 3 will be cut. The result become 1. Okay, then 1 by 3 is called the multiplicative inverse. Okay, and out. So the 1 by 3 is called the multiplicative inverse. Suppose you have given 1 by 5, then which number we will multiply? Then result become 1. Yes, very good. Okay, then 5 we will multiply by 5, and 5 will cut, and the result become 1. So the 5 is called multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. Okay, suppose one more example is there. Negative 1 by 7. Which number we will multiply? Then the result become 1. Which number? 7. No, just see carefully. Negative 1 by 7 is there. So the multiplicative inverse of negative 1 by 7 is negative 7, because negative become positive. Okay, so like this, in the second question we have to find out the multiplicative inverse. So already I taught you what is the multiplicative inverse. So now take the screenshot and write in a notebook. So now in the second question, already I taught you what is the multiplicative inverse. The second question, find the multiplication inverse. Find the multiplication inverse. Then tell me what is the multiplication inverse of 3. Yes, very good, Eva. Next, second, what is the multiplication of inverse of negative 4? Yes, negative 1 by 4. What is the multiplication inverse of 2 by 9? 2 by 9 means 9 by 2. That multiplicative inverse is also called the reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse जो है उसका second नाम क्या है? Reciprocal. उनको reciprocal भी कहते हैं. Okay. So here we can write find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Or reciprocal. We can say that. Okay. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 9 is 9 by 2. How? 2 by 9 multiply 9 by 2, then 9 cut 2 cut, result is 1. Okay, then the multiplicative inverse of negative 3 by 4, negative 4 by 3. Multiplicative inverse of 5 by negative 8, so negative 8 by 5. And last, the multiplicative inverse of negative 6 by negative 7. So you know that negative is positive. The result is 6 by 7. So multiplicative inverse of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. Okay? Any doubt? Okay, so like this. One more example, multiplicative inverse of negative 1 by 8. Yes, very good. The multiplicative inverse of negative 8 by is 1 by 8 is negative 8 because the negative is positive and 8 and 8 cut, so result is 1. Okay, any doubt? So this type of thing is called multiplicative inverse. So write your, take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay, so next third question, there are 4 parts in third question. Find the sum of the following rational number. We have to find out the sum. So see the carefully the symbol of the following rational numbers. First one, you have to solve here. Second one, third one, and last fourth one. Okay. So first see, both are positive. So positive 7 is denominator and 7 is denominator. So directly LCM is 7. Here also 7. 7 no need to multiply by any number directly. 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 7. Okay. Any doubt? Next, 1 by 7. Here is positive and negative. Positive plus and minus. Positive and negative is always negative. And 13 by 11. So now both denominator is different, 7 and 11. So first we will take the LCM. So the LCM of 7 and 11. 7 and 11. The LCM of 7 and 11 is 77. 7 multiply 1 then 11 then 77. Okay, here becomes 77. Here we have to make 77 then multiply by 11. So 1 multiply 11. And here we have to make 77 then multiply by 7. 13 multiply 7. 11 multiply then 1 and 90 91 upon 77. So 11 minus 91, the negative is bigger, so negative 80 by 77. And out. Okay. Next, negative 8 by 9 plus negative 3 by 7. So here is already negative 8 by 9, so we will write same as it is. But the positive and negative is always negative 3 by 5. So the LCM of 9 and 5, LCM of 9 and 5 is 45. So here we have to make 45. 45 बनाने के लिए 5 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. So 8 negative 8 multiply 5 minus यहाँ पे 45 बनाने के लिए 3 multiply 8. Okay. So 8 5 जा 40 minus 24 by 45. So the result is 64 by 45. Both are negative. So if negative are there, then you know that we have to add both of this. Okay. So this is your answer. Next. 11 by 15, positive and negative is negative 3 by 5. Now you have to take the LCM. LCM is 15. Already 15 is there. So 11 multiply 1. But 15 we have to make, then 3 multiply 3. So 11 minus 9 by 15. So result is 2 by 15. Okay. This is your answer. Any doubt? So take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay, sir, one mistake is happen. Otherwise, you can say, sir, we don't know the multiply, make the wrong question. One mistake by mistake happen. Here we have to make multiply by 9. Because 45, we have to make multiply 5 in 45. So multiply by 9 by 9. So 9 3 is 27. Okay, after you are asking that, sir, don't know the answer. So negative 67 by 45. Okay, this is minor mistake. It can be possible. Okay, so the next question, subtract the following rational number. In the third question already we make the addition. So now subtract the following rational number. So from is written, from means बाद वाला number को पहले लिखेंगे और first वाला number को बाद में. How to solve this? Just see first one. So 1 by 7 from 5 by 7. So first we will write 5 by 7. From means minus and 1 by 7. Both denominator is same, 7 and 7. So LCM is directly 7. So 5 minus 1, it means the result is 4 by 7. Okay, and out the next second, see 1 by 7 from negative 3 by 8. So first we will write negative 3 by 8. From means minus and 1 by 7. Okay, so now the both denominator is different. So the LCM is 8 multiply 7, 56. 8 here we have to make 56, then multiply by 7. So negative 3 multiplied by 7, and here we have to make 56 multiply by 8. Okay, so negative 21, negative 8 by 56. So negative 29 by 56 is your answer. Okay, so like this also, that third one, negative 9 by 10 first, from means minus negative 3 by 4. Okay, so negative 9 by 10, negative is positive 3 by 4, and the LCM of 10 and 4 is 20. Here we have to make 20 multiply by 2, and here we have to make 20 multiply by 5. Okay, so 9 to the 18 and 5 to the 15 by 20. So the result is negative 3 by 20. Okay, so the last D1 is your homework, like this. Okay, so the homework is last D1 of 4th. Okay, so you have to make a solve like this. And out, so take the screenshot. Okay, so the next question, fifth one, multiply the following rational number. It means you have to given 4 rational number type pair of, and you have to multiply the following. Okay, so the same numerator, we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay, so 8 multiply 0, 8 multiply 0, and 9 multiply 8. So 8 multiply 0, 0 is any number multiplied by 0, then the result becomes 0. And 8 multiply 9, 8 9 is 72. Okay, so the 0, when you will number give the divided 0 by any number, the result become 0. Okay, so next, negative 3 by 11 multiply negative here, so we can write here negative 8 to the 16, 16 plus 1, 21 by 8. Okay, so negative is positive, multiplication of negative and negative is always positive. So 3 multiply 21 and 11 multiply 8, so the result is 63 positive, 63 by 88. And out, so like this you have to solve C and D, both is your homework. And out, Eva. Okay, then simply we will do the multiply. If the negative is there, so just see, if 2 negative is there, then negative is positive. If 1 positive and 1 negative is there, then negative. 1 negative and 1 positive, it means negative. And positive multiplication is always positive. This is the basic rule of multiplication of negative number and positive number. Like this. One more I will solve, that D1. It means 13, and there is no denominator, 13 by 1 we can write. So negative 16 multiply 13 and 27 multiply 1. So the result is 208. 60 multiply 3, 208 by 27. So now one last C1 is your homework. Okay, first mixed fraction is given, so multiply 63 by 3. So 189 is there. Afterwards add 25 and solve this. And out, Isika, Ashwin. Okay, then take the screenshot and write in on notebook. Okay, so the next fifth one is there. Sorry, sixth one. Okay, divide the following rational number. Actually, we have to give the divide. So you already noted the rules of the division. So first, 7 by 9 divided by 14 by 27. So as you know that when divide will be changed in multiply, then after number of the division it will be reciprocal. So 27 by 14. Okay, so now if this is cutting by any number, then you cut 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 1 multiply 3 and 1 multiply 2, result is 3 by 2. Any doubt? Same as then mixed fraction is given 2 11 by 13. So 13 2 is 26, and 26 plus 11, then 37 upon 13 divided by 13 by 11. Okay. Okay, then 37 by 13, when the divide will be changed in multiply, then afterward digit is reciprocal, 11 by 13. Okay, so now 37 multiply 11, 37 multiply by 11, then 7 3 and 7 3, then 7 7 3 10, 407. Okay, so we can write 407 and 13 multiply 13, then 169. This is your answer. Okay, so next one, negative 8 by 9, when divide will be changed in multiply, then afterward digit is reciprocal 27 by negative 16. So already I told you that negative multiply negative is always positive. Okay, so 8 1 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 16, and negative is always positive. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, so 1 multiply 3 by negative and negative, this both negative is positive, and 1 multiply 3 by 1 multiply 2, so the result is 3 by 2. Same as you solved the last one, negative 4 by 25, divide will be changed in multiply, then 17 by 8, and 17 4 ja 68, negative 60, and 25 8 ja 8 5 ja 40, carry 4 and 200. So this is your answer. If you want to cut by 2, then you can say, you can do 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8, so negative 1 multiply 17 and 25 multiply 2, so negative 17 by 50 is your final answer. So take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay, so now afterward the word problem is there, so now we have to start the word problem. So take the screenshot and write in your notebook, and if you have any type of doubt, then you can ask. Okay, I think this is too much easy and you already done in 6th class. Okay, so just see carefully and try to solve. Okay students, so the next 7th one, the word problem. Ankit read 1 by 3 of a storybook at first day, and 1 by 4 of the storybook is second day. So what part of book is yet to be read by Ankit? कितना part जो है book का पढ़ना अभी बाकी है. So the already on the first day कितना पढ़ लिया भाई उसने? 1 by 3. Second day 1 by 3. So total part read 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So LCM is 12. Instead of 3 we multiply by 4, then 12 is there. So 4 multiply 1 and 1 multiply 3. Okay. So 4 plus 3, it means 7 by 2 part already read. 7 by 12 part जो है उसने already read कर लिया, पढ़ लिया. अब left part इसमें question is saying that yet to be read by Ankit. कितना part बाकी है? So the left part of book yet to be read कितना बाकी? तो एक ही book थी, उसमें से कितना part पढ़ लिया इसने? 7 by 12. Okay, so there is no denominator, so directly we can write denominator 1. So 12. Here we have to make 12. So 1 multiply by 12, and only 12 is there. So 7 80. So 12 minus 7 by 12. It means 5 by 12 part is left to be read or yet to be read. Okay, I think you understood. First we have to add both of these, whatever part already read, then 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7, then 7 by 12 part is already read, and the remaining part is only one book is there, so 1 minus 7 by 12. So the result is 5 by 12 part is remaining. Okay, take the screenshot. Okay students, so the second question, the product of two rational number is 18 by 35. If the one number is negative 2 by 5, then find the other number. So in this type of question, directly a formula is there, so you have to use the formula and find out the answer. Okay, so always if the product of two numbers is given, then one number is also given, and he is asking about the second number. Okay, so directly a formula, second number is equals to product divided by first number. This is the directly a formula to find out the second number or other number. Okay, so the second number, as you know that the product is 18 by 35 divide the first number is negative 2 by 5. So already you know that when the divide will be changed in multiply, then afterwards the fraction is, it will be reciprocal. So 5 by negative 2. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 9 ja 18. So the result is 9 multiply 1 and 7 multiply -1. Okay, so 9 by negative 7 or negative you can write upside, then negative sign by 9 by 7. Both answer is correct. If you want to write 9 by -7, then also correct, and if you want to write negative upside with numerator, then negative 9 by 7 is also right. So your second number is negative 9 by 7. Okay, any doubt? So directly use this formula and find out the result. Any doubt? Okay, take the screenshot. Okay, so the next question, ninth one, Tina, Ria and Irfan went for a lunch in a restaurant. Tina paid amount 1 by 4. Tina paid how much? 1 by 4 of the amount. And Irfan paid 1 by 3. So total amount paid 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, so the LCM is 12, and 4 plus 3. Now I will write directly, as you know that already you know that what how to solve. So 7 by, they both paid the amount 7 by 12, and the left amount is paid by Ria. So the Ria paid so first we will let there are 1 rupees only, by 1 rupee. Already they paid, the 2 paid and the remaining paid by Ria. So let the bill is rupees 1. So 1 minus 7 by 12. So 12 minus 7. So the remaining is 5 by 12. Okay, the remaining bill is 5 by 12, and 5 by 12 of the bill paid by. So this is not the bill. 5 by 12 of the bill. Okay, it means the question is saying that the Tina paid 1 by 4 of bill, Irfan paid 1 by 3rd of bill. So the total paid of bill 7 by 12 of bill. Okay, so bill तो एक ही था. So the remaining paid by Ria. So one bill only. So 1 minus 7 by 12. So the LCM is, denominator is 1. So LCM is 12. So 12 minus 7, 5 by 12. The remaining bill of paid by Ria. Any doubt? Okay, take the screenshot and write in a notebook. And the last 10 question is remaining. So the 10th one is your homework. Just try to solve. If you didn't understand, then ask to me. Okay, I will give the reply. Any doubt? I think today whatever I taught you, you understood all of this thing. Okay, then if you have faced any problem, then once again see the video carefully and try to understand afterwards. Then also you feel the problem, then you ask. Okay, then you can ask. Be safe at your home. एंड अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक्सरसाइज 3.4 के साथ. ओके, थैंक यू.